5 Best Automatic Pool Cleaners Review. Number 1. Dolphin 99,996,323 Nautilus Automatic Pool Cleaner. Dolphin Nautilus with swivel cable, which has a lot of nice features, but is the priciest of the group. The high price doesn't leave you empty-handed, though, since this is one tough little cleaner that will probably handle practically anything you have for a pool, as well as clean the dirt and algae. The Dolphin Nautilus with swivel cable is designed to be used with a below-ground pool, and along with its 60-foot cable, chances are good that it will accomplish that and more. This little powerhouse will clean your pool's walls, floors, and any features that stand in the way in just about 3 hours. And once it is done cleaning your pool, this one has a filter that is very easy to clean and reinsert into the housing. You have to do practically nothing to get this one started. You just plug it in and turn it on. It does the rest. Number 2. Polaris Vac-Sweep 280 Pool Cleaner. Since the Polaris Vac Pressure Side Pool Cleaner is a pressure side type, it requires a booster pump, but in terms of power, this one has everything it needs to deliver cleaning power to every in-ground pool. Connect this one to its pressure source and it will easily clean every surface of your pool. Just as is the case with any pressure side pool cleaner, the Vac-Sweep 280 Pool Cleaner requires a booster pump, but once it's going, it needs hardly a look to keep it operating efficiently until it's done with your pool. The unique design of the Vac-Sweep Pool Cleaner allows it to be connected to your dedicated pressure line, where in turn powerful sweepers of water clean the sides and bottom of your pool effortlessly and completely. The single-chamber debris bag allows the Polaris Vac-Sweep 280 to pick up nearly anything in its path, from small rocks to acorns and anything else. Number 3. Polaris F9450 Sport Robotic Pool Vacuum. The Polaris F9450 Sport Vacuum 4-wheel drive is another powerhouse when it comes to in-ground pool cleaners. And since it is robotic, it assures anyone who decides that it is the best for them maximum performance in all of their pool cleaning needs. Just connect this one and it's ready to go. The Polaris F9450 Sport Robotic Cleaner Vacuum 4-wheel drive is another one of those models that although it's on the pricey side, you can hardly go wrong with it when you purchase this one to handle your pool cleaning chores for you. It has all of the advantages of a robotic pool cleaner, so you can literally turn it on and let it go. This is a small unit, but don't let the package deceive you. It's a powerhouse that is second to practically nothing. This one is best for an in-ground pool, regardless of the features of that pool. It won't let anything, including ladders, tile, changes in geography, or anything else to get in its way. Number 4. Aquabot Breeze 4WD Automatic Pool Vacuum. Are you looking for a robotic pool cleaner that is a hard worker, but is lightweight as well as easy to use? The Aquabot Breeze 4WD pools up to 60 feet might be just the thing to keep your pool in top shape throughout the year. What is it about some pool cleaners that just look like fun to operate? This small, lightweight cleaner takes practically nothing to lift and put into a pool after you connect the hose. After that, it's just a matter of stepping back and letting it work. Even if you need to pull it up and empty the filter, it's fun to see the process at work in 2 huge containers. The large rubber wheels provide the propulsion, in 4WD no less, while the brushes on the bottom do the cleaning, whether it's headed forward or backward. This one works well on pools of all shapes and surfaces. 3 hours later and your pool is spotless. Number 5. Hayward Poolvergnuegen Suction Pool Cleaner. Concrete pools can present their own challenges when it comes time to clean them. That's why certain cleaners such as the Hayward Poolvergnuegen 4-wheel suction cleaner for concrete pools were made for maximum performance in a specialized environment. The Hayward Poolvergnuegen is a picture of reliability and performance, all packed into simplicity personified in engineering for maximum performance. Regardless of the size of your in-ground pool, the Hayward Poolvergnuegen 896,584,020 will get to the bottom on all the cleaning issues you need. This one offers either 2 or 4-wheel drive to accommodate any size pool, regardless of the surface, but especially for concrete. Not only that, but it adjusts its own mechanisms in order to give you maximum clean for a minimum of energy expenditures.